PA is a sophisticated API tool with important capabilities created specifically for Mac. Its major job is to test and describe API, and it has a lovely interface that makes tasks like constructing requests, analyzing server answers, and exporting API definitions easier. Insomnia, through collaboration. This Postman alternative also provides testing suites for creating functional tests and centralizing API. Testfully, this Postman alternative is browser-based and requires no program installation. It supports environments and configs, as well as the ability to incorporate random data in your requests. Swagger UI, another Postman option for easier API visualization and interaction with API resources, is Swagger UI. This Postman alternative features well-organized, easy-to-navigate documentation. SOAP UI includes security and load testing capabilities and functional testing for SOAP and REST API.